right, pal. This is Joe Biden.
President Biden.
Well, I wanted to call to see how you're doing and thank you for taking such incredible action in face of danger. I don't think you understand just how much you've done for so many people who never going to even know you. But I want them to know more about you.
I'm still processing, what I did and what I experienced. For you to call, that's just so comforting for me.
Well, you have my respect. You are America, pal. You are who we are. No, you are who we are. America's never backed down. We've always stepped up because of people like you.
Appreciate your words of kindness. Thank you, President Biden.
Well, they're more than words.
That you are able to speak to me right now.
Okay, pal. I'll be talking to you soon. My best to your family, and we'll be back to you, okay? Keep the faith, pal. Bye-bye.
Have a nice day. Stay safe and do America justice.
We're going to give it hell, man. Thanks. Talk to you. Bye-bye.